In this video, we'll show you how to set a sleep timer on your iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. A sleep timer can be very handy if you like to play music or a podcast before bed but don't want it to play all night long. With this feature, you can set your device to stop playing after a set amount of time, whether it's 10 minutes or an hour. To get started, open your iPhone and begin playing whatever you want, like music or an audiobook. Once that's ready, go ahead and open the clock app. Then tap on Timers in the bottom right corner. You can set the duration of your timer here. When you're ready, tap When Timer Ends, scroll to the bottom, and choose the Stop Playing option. After that, tap Set in the top right corner and hit Start. Once the timer runs out, whatever you're listening to will automatically stop playing. If you found this guide useful, please give the video a thumbs up, and I look forward to helping you again in the future.